Okay, there, start.
So today I'm gonna be decorating my cat cake.
Don't forget your,
Gel.
yeah, the paste.
And then I'm gonna use these chocolate chips, dark chocolate chips, to make the cat. So we'll take this.
The Kara's trying to decorate her cake.
And I just need like 2 of these.
And our big cake here is ready, but Kara's
Okay, 2 chocolate chips.
So she's got some
Chocolate chips.
and she's got, what is this?
Decorating gel.
Decorating gel. It's black. It says black.
Okay, this is all I need. This is all I need. This is all I need. Okay.
Okay, it's a tiny cake.
Okay, so I gotta put them in position. So maybe I'll put one like right here, right. It's kind of look like eyes. Okay, I'm just gonna do it like right there. And then let's get our decorating gel. Okay, I hope this is good to use because I don't have icing. So we're gonna put that on.
Well, it's not icing, it's gel.
Yeah, it's gel. That's what I.
You can also use it to decorate.
Yeah, that's what I'm.
So
going
what
to
is
do.
it? What are these supposed to be? Eyes?
No, these are the ears.
Oh, those are
Seems
ears.
like the cake isn't that.
Those look like eyes.
But I'm gonna do the eyes for this. Okay. 2 eyes.
Oh,
And then the nose.
the nose should be a little bit bigger than the eyes.
Like that.
Make sure you put whiskers too.
Like that. Not the best artist.
Ooh.
Then we'll do some whiskers. No, that's too thick.
It's okay.
No, it's not okay. I have to use this to get it wrapped. Thick whiskers has to go. Do I have a napkin?
Oh my god.
Can I have a napkin, please? I made the whiskers too big. Okay, I'm just gonna get them.
It's so big. I want to.
Take it out.
Looks like a bruise. It's not a bruise.
Gonna swipe it off. It isn't the best cake, but it tastes delicious though. That's all I know. Okay, the cat ears, and then careful whiskers. Okay, that's all I'm gonna do. 2 lines, because I don't want them to be too thick. Okay, 2 lines. There we go.
That's cute. Maybe
Should you like the whole face of it?
if you want.
How does that look on camera? That looks good. Does it?
So are you done?
I guess so.
Okay, bye guys. Thank you for watching us make a cake and decorating it and baking. Bye.
Thanks.